I know everything because I have watched this unboxing and now it's just my first time to have it my own. Wow, so amazing! I can't believe it. Oh, this is the sponge. Oh, I think it's a heart. Hi guys, I am Hannah and today we are gonna vlog my new toy. So maybe you can wait because we'll pause it to open the doll out. And it's my first time to have a color changing Barbie doll because it has a mystery sponge and it color changes. I know you have watched this on YouTube kids, but this is a new one. But I will not send it to just YouTube in YouTube, you can see it. It has a mystery sponge and the color changes lips, see? And then it has a mystery makeup with mystery shoes, mystery wig, and mystery skirt. And now, we are going to open it. I am very, very excited. Here's how you open it. You just take off the plastic. Here we go. Oh, wow. Oh, it's so amazing. Let's open up the top of the doll. Ooh, look. We have, I can't do it by myself. Ooh, plastic. Honey, plastic. So here it is. Out of the box, but it's still in the plastic. Ooh, the doll. And I wonder who this is. Now here it is. Here it is out of the plastic. Ooh, it can move it. Her arms. And her feet too. And also the head. Put the doll in. Put the doll in there and then the warm water. It's turning the water blue. I think I can see it. Whoosh, 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 whoosh. I think I can see it. I think I can see her. What do you? I don't want to just fall on me. Who are you? Who are you? Who are you? Who are you? I think it's working. This is gonna be the best day ever I have had. It has pink hair, my favorite color. Can you see her hands swishing around? Swish, whoosh, wishing. These color changing Barbie dolls, I really like it. They are so amazing. Now we have the doll. We can color change her up. I know I have watched this, but I always wanted this dance finally happened just today. And I don't know what's her name, but I'll name her. Now guys, we're going to put the accessories. Now let me get first. Oh, I think I know who this is. Oh, I got this. Now I get my wig and do we get what? Do we get what? Do we? Oh, it's a beautiful one. It's awesome. We have her wig. Last was the shoes. And now our Barbie color changing doll is ready to play with. I'm gonna name her. I'm gonna name her. I'm gonna name her. I'm gonna name her Isabel. And now that Isabel's ready, we should say bye. Say bye, Isabel. Bye. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my video. Click this button here for more videos. We are the Love Sick Girls. Bye, guys.